the finest known in a mint state 63 on the planet is appraised at $85,000. But in my opinion, because there are less known of the large star, it's incredibly undervalued. The highest grade is only an AU55, and it only last sold for like $8,000, even though it's substantially harder to find. And I mean like a lot harder. Like, Google an image of this coin, it does not come up. It's like almost ghost-like. It doesn't really exist. So I think it should be worth more money. So let us know in the comments, do you believe the survival rate should pull the value of the large star? And make sure you follow for more coin stuff like this.